6717 Pimlico. We completed the project. Walking in, if you had seen this when it started, you could never have dreamed it was going to be like this. This was closed completely, and there was like a little bit of an opening into the kitchen space. They completely opened it up, and then over here was a carport, and instead of being a carport, it's now a 1.5 car garage. If you're a car person and you have a beautiful car, it'll be a nice little feature in through the window that still lets light in after enclosing that into some garage space. Originally, we had a concept where the closet was actually in the middle of this wall, but we knew we needed some place to put a TV. So we moved it completely over, put in a tankless water heater. Tankless water heater was actually in a hall closet, but we needed that closet space. So we kind of just did some shifting to create space where we needed it. Opened up the kitchen completely. The laundry room was a part of the kitchen, which doesn't work here in Dallas. People don't really want their laundry right next to their kitchen. So they created extra cabinet space, opened everything up, and moved the laundry into what was the water heater closet. Washer dryer stackable right here in the center of the house, kind of where you want it. Bathroom was reconfigured. Kind of beautifully did some Spanish tile and borrowed space to create the laundry and made this just a 1-sink bathroom. It is now a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. Bedrooms are good space, lots of light. Primary bedroom at the back of the house. This originally had 1 sink and a tiny little bathroom shower combo. We were able to borrow space from a hall closet and expand in for a nice, generous sized walk-in shower, bringing in a lot of earth elements into the bathroom finishes. Oh, and we have the nice walk-in closet for storage. We have our 3rd bedroom at the front of the house. A lot of foundation work was done throughout the home when we first came in here. There was like cracks and gaps in all of the walls, but after doing extensive work and redoing the plumbing and all of the systems, it's now come together in a brand new way. The backyard's great. They reimagined the whole thing. Thanks for touring with us and coming to check out Pimlico. Enjoy your day.